Ooh. What the heck? Yeah, that's it. Alright, now we have the lights here. It's on AC. Yeah, I haven't got the portable conversion of it. I got it, but it's still on the way. Yeah, so I got it from a sales price. It's actually very, very affordable. And for these lights, I think it's quite okay. I mean, compared to most of the LEDs. Okay, give me a minute. Oh, shit. Alright. Okay, things like this or things like this. Well, this kind is it's pretty much trash. Well, but this is good. Aperture, the ALMX. Shit, it ran out of battery. Oh well. Yeah, I'll just put it. Okay, good. So now let's test this light first. It's a Virgin on-off time. I haven't tried this yet. It's just freaking. Oh my goodness! What the? Oh, I can hear the fan. I'm put near the microphone. Can you hear that? Shit. Wow, it's pretty amazing. So now it's on 24% dim. It's already pretty freaking bright. Well, compared to the ALMX, I think this outshines it entirely. So now I will try to tune the, what's this bad valve thing? Oh, it's a couple of different modes here. Okay, that's cool. It comes with channel 2. I don't know what the hell this thing does. Oh, I haven't read the bloody instruction manual, but yeah. Flash. Okay. So I assume this is just a 5600 white balance. Yes. 5006. You can't really change the color, but doesn't matter. That's the whole point of it. You want to change the color, put gel. Then this is really, really light. Look at this thing. I mean, really, it's freaking light. So small. You know what? The back is heavier than the light. Yeah, but this LMX compared to this, of course, in terms of brightness and stuff, this can't compete. Totally cannot compete. But this is actually very nice for like night shoot and just want some feel like on the face area. So when you go close, so this is like it's pretty good. This, on the other hand, I think you can outshine the entire freaking model on this. Well, you need a modifier for this. Not sure you can see this, but the fan is actually moving quite well. Right, so now let's try. Okay, dimness 0. I can't really switch off here. So the LCD actually shows all this information, which is relatively very nice to have. It's like, oh my god, okay, let's boom it up, freaking 100%. Look at this shit, man. Right, so I heard that this modifier is actually pretty awesome because of how the lumen of it. Wow, look at this shit. Look at the difference. Oh my god, my eyes hurts. Okay, where's the hole? Okay, there we go. So yeah, really looking forward to the battery grip. So once I have that, I pretty much have a full portable rig thing. Now, if you ask me how is this gonna fare towards the strobe or what, right? Fine, decent question, but I'll say that's pretty dumb because you can't compare LED lights to a strobe. There are different use of it, but you can use it very situational. Now, what we have on hand right now is 4 different types of lights here. While I was buying the Forza 60, people have been asking me, right? So how is this gonna fare against the 8200? I'll say, well, I mean, I wouldn't be stupid enough to be shooting this on daylight. I won't try this. Maybe it work, maybe it won't. Yeah, but I don't want to give it a try. So far, there's some situation where I shoot 80-200 in broad daylight and it works out very well. It depends really. But at 12 noon, you want to shoot with just a single 80-200, I think forget about it, man. Totally forget about it. Just shoot with the 8600 with a proper modifier and it will do the work. Really, it does wonder for me. So now we have a complete, soon to be in whole portable system, which is really quite lightweight, ready for a wedding shoot and whatever not. This is just perfect. So that's it, folks, for my short review and unboxing for the Forza 60. If you're guessing out there, haven't tried this thing out yet, I'll let you know how it will work out to be. So stay tuned.